Hi guys, we received this Android tablet for viewing purposes, so let's open it up and let's see what comes inside. Okay, it comes protected with this foam, and here it is. Okay, as you can see, it comes included with a cover which you can use to set it up like this. Okay, it has this protecting film right here. I'm gonna take it off. This is how it looks. We have the camera right here, some controllers in here, the button, a Type-C charger port, a 3mm jack audio port. Okay, it has the back camera, which I think it's really nice. Let's see what else comes included. Okay, we have the user manual and the Type-C cable. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out and let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, now it's already configured. We can use the camera and take some photos, some videos, which I think it's really nice. It's a 6 GB of RAM tablet, which I think it's a nice option because it means that it ain't so slow, which I think it's really nice. And it's a perfect size to take it with you anywhere that you need. If you're going to go on a travel, I think it's a nice option to have, and it's really nice. Okay, I like it a lot because, as I've said, it's really slim, it's really powerful. It has a really nice display which looks amazing, and overall I will really recommend it. See you.